How to manage sleep mode on your Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. After you're in the settings, simply click on Display. After that, in here you'll find Sleep Mode or just Sleep. Click on Sleep. Then you'll find all these options. If you want your phone to not sleep, simply press on Never. If there is option of Never, in mine it's top 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep 30 minutes. It's selected. Now after 30 minutes of inactivity, my phone will sleep. And this is how to manage sleep mode on your Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.